Hey Rifki,
Oh, hi Ashwin.
how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine. So, yeah, let's start the study
Okay.
case discussion
Yeah,
here. Okay.
completely fine. So, my first question would be, could you just tell me a little bit more about yourself and your role in your company so that our audience will know about what you do exactly?
Okay. So, my name is Rifki. I'm a co-founder of Rupa.ai. We are an AI editing apps, and our goal is making photo editing easy and fun. And our target market is right now is only for Indonesian, which is my country right now. So basically, we use AI, like using a generative model like Stable Diffusion to turn their selfies into better photos, like a professional photo shoot or
Oh,
Korean photo shoot, or like something art, like avatar, like that.
so that's great. That's great.
Yeah.
So that's what you do, right?
Yep.
So how long you have been in this industry?
Actually, we built this like 6 or 8 months ago. It
Okay.
started as a small projects, and somehow it gets some good product market fit in Indonesia, and we are growing right now. Yeah.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so could you tell me more about your company and how much employees are there in your company, your industrial sizes?
Okay, so actually, my full-time job is I'm working on a digital agency, but this Rupa AI is actually internal. No, no, not like internal project. Like it's my own research on, because we have a team that loves Stable Diffusion to generate image, and somehow the idea comes up like how what can we do to turn this into a business. So basically, we are copying like leading AI platform like maybe Plansa.ai, Headshot Pro, and we make the experience to be as locally friendly as possible. Basically, we convert them into Indonesian language with Indonesian payment system, and all the customer service can be done through WhatsApp. So we localize every experience,
Mhm.
and somehow it works, and the user loves it, and yeah, it's been growing so fast since then.
Okay. So how many employees are there in your company?
Right now we only have like 5 full-time employees, but we have like 2 freelance customer service, and we hire a small marketing agency to help with our uh Facebook ads, TikTok ads, like the marketing part.
Yes,
Yeah.
I completely get it. So what made you to choose GoZen Forms and where did you find GoZen Forms from?
Actually, uh we are looking for a Google Form alternative, since Google Form is bit unintuitive, and it's bit overwhelming for most of our users. So our option is basically using Typeform, but it's actually very expensive considering like the cost per user acquisition here, which is this is simply not possible. So basically, I'm researching like several option, and somehow I got maybe ads. I forgot, maybe ads, or maybe I found through Google search,
Mhm.
and I simply use Gozen, and I found it on AppSimo, and that was a steal. I mean, like, it was a no-brainer deal, so I took it. And while my other team like trying with several other platform, I forgot maybe some kind of intuitive form,
Yeah.
but in the end, the one thing that makes us easily choose Gozen is because it's easy to use, and the second one is webhook function that's easily integrated into our backend.
Okay, that's
Yeah,
great.
basically it's the affordability and the ease of use.
Okay, thank you. So before trying GoZen Forms, what are the
Yep.
other forms or other solutions did you try before and why it didn't work?
Okay. Like I said before, it's simply because Google Form is too complex for our users, and Typeform is too expensive. So yeah, GoZen Form is the solution that fits with our use case here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So open to your answers. Yeah. So okay, now you found GoZen Forms. Okay, what made you to give a try on GoZen Forms? Any peculiar reasons?
It was simply when me and one of my marketing lead try to use GoZen, and we send it to our initial customer to get feedback.
Mhm.
We can see that, like, from maybe from 100 WhatsApp we send to our customers, it's like a 40 or 50% fill it. And it was really good, since the conversion is, I mean, the insight from the our initial users will be feedback to our developer to develop a better products, right? But we have tried other Google form, which is the conversion rate for feedback form is much lower. I mean, like,
Oh,
from 100, maybe like 10 or 20 to fill it. So what we see is maybe the GoZen form have similar, or maybe better conversion rate from our previous test with type form. And yeah, it's good. And actually, even my non-technical team can simply edit
okay.
the form easily.
So you mean it's user friendly, anyone can do it,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. It
That's
doesn't have to be our developer or me. Somehow our marketing team can simply edit the form to adjust.
okay. Thank you. So what are the results did you get after using GoZen Forms?
There are a lot of things that maybe, like, the conversion rate for our feedback form, which raised maybe 2 or 3 times from previous use of Google Form.
Yeah.
But the clear result in revenue is comes from our new products called Headshot AI, which turns selfies into a professional headshot. So basically, we made simple tools called LinkedIn Bio Generator, but it's actually connected to GoZen Form,
Mhm.
where user can simply fill the questionnaire about their career, their goals, and everything.
Mhm.
And with the result, we also give code coupon code to purchase our headshot products. So
Okay.
using this GoZen Form, based on latest data, we have like uh 4,800 response.
Okay.
And from this, we get around 4 to 5% conversion rate to our paid products. For each a paid product, it costs about $7. So yeah, it's simply we can say that around 4 or 5% of goes in form fillers on our case is turned into paid products
Interesting.
customers. So maybe consider like 4,000 entries response, and with 4% conversion rate, maybe it's uh around 100 or 660 sales. I mean,
Okay.
maybe 160 sales goes into like added additional, maybe around 1,500 revenue. 1,500
$1,500 revenue,
revenue.
right?
Yeah, in a month. Yeah,
Okay.
last month, since we
Yeah.
we just launched the form itself last month.
Okay, fine. That's great. So, is there any specific features do you use most or your team use most in GoZen Forms?
In GoZen Forms,
Yeah.
like, the form itself is we use for everything, like for customer feedback and for lead generation. And the what is called, like, when user answer this, it goes to different question. What's the
Okay.
feature called? Yeah. It's one we use extensively. And of course, the webhook part. Yeah, so
Okay.
yeah, form itself, the I don't know, the fighting or and the webhook part. Yeah.
Okay. So overall, how much do you rate your GoZen Forms out of five?
Out of 5 is 4.5, I guess.
Five.
The 4.5.
So,
Like,
yes, thank you.
yeah,
I completely take your feedback.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So before winding up the session, this is our last question.
Yep.
So Would you recommend our product to other services?
Definitely,
Okay.
definitely.
So,
Especially if you're indie hacker, like if you want to build some, like you have an idea to build an AI project using GPT-4 or maybe like Stable Diffusion. When it comes to getting customer feedback or maybe to generate products easily to get the product market fit, using GoZen is really easy for me.
okay. So, thank you. That's it from my side. Bye bye. All the very best.
Okay.
Take care.